Okay, good morning guys, it's me again. So now I'm going to cook a simple dish again, potatoes with egg. It's good for breakfast. Okay, so now we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, potatoes, garlic, tomatoes, onions, spring onions and onions, and then butter. We need butter and the eggs. Okay, first fry the egg first. We're gonna saute garlic. And then onion. And then the tomatoes and the spring onions. At itong pag-ayo guys, kaya ato i-sunod ang itlog. Okay guys. Okay, so this is enough. We're gonna add the eggs. Okay. I add black pepper and salt. Okay, sa egg. Ang itlog naluto na guys, so we're gonna sit aside first. And then we're gonna add this another lamas. Okay. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. Pwede po din na nyo butag lamas. Ako ganahan man ko na lamas na food. Okay? Dayon ang tomatoes o goan. Tomatoes and spring onions. The potatoes. Soy sauce, just a little, some salt, and then guys, you're gonna add oyster sauce. In low heat guys, okay? So para dili mapagod, low heat lang. Okay, potatoes are cooked already. By the way, I add 1/4 cup of water so that the potatoes is going to be cooked right away. And now since it's cooked, we're gonna add the egg. Okay guys, so that's our potatoes with egg. It's super yummy. Okay, that's our potatoes with egg is done. And it's super yummy. Okay, it's tasting time. gonna have a taste of an egg and then potatoes. Okay. That's enough. There's an egg. Okay? Okay, guys. It's yummy. It's not salty. That's good. So our potatoes with egg is done, guys. Look at, it's good for breakfast. Okay, so it's super yummy, affordable, and delicious, and then it's very quick. Okay, guys, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Ja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.